What happens when you bring a 1990s Honda Civic Si back from the brink? This DIY restoration dives deep into the rust, the grit, and the passion it takes to revive a legend of the street. When we first got our hands on this Civic, it was a shell of its former self. Faded paint, dented fenders, a tired interior, and an engine begging for attention. The first step? Stripping it down. Every bolt, every panel, every interior piece, carefully removed to expose the Civic's bones. Years of wear had taken a toll. We tackled rust spots, smoothed out body panels, and prepped the chassis for a fresh start. With the bodywork complete, it was time for paint. We chose a classic sea red, bright, bold, and unmistakably 90s. Under the hood, it was a full refresh. The engine got new internals, fresh hoses, a cleaned intake, and a deep scrub of the bay itself. Inside, the Si got a total makeover. New seats, red-stitched shift boot, restored dashboard, and a retro steering wheel that screams 90s tuner. And here it is, restored, roaring, and ready to hit the road. The 1990s Honda Civic Si lives again, with every bolt tightened by passion. This was more than a project. It was a resurrection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more garage builds and DIY stories. The road ahead is just beginning.